Namaste, this is the Voice of God channel, and this video is about the saying that the process is more important than the outcome. So it has been told to us since centuries that always focus on the process more than the outcome, and we do not really understand why this is said. Because we are so much pressurized in our younger years that to perform and to get an outcome, that we do not really enjoy the process. And we realize that however much success we get at an outcome, or however much success we repeat over getting successive good outcomes, our tension and frustration remain the same, and we remain as agitated, as irritated, as upset about our life situation as if we are not successful. So success by itself does not mean happiness. Happiness means that you enjoy the process of performing from moment to moment, and that you enjoy every step of the action that you are doing, not just focus on the product that you are creating. So if you are cooking, you need to enjoy the art of cooking. If you don't like the art of cooking, you can hand over the job to someone else who enjoys it more than you. You can hire a maid who finds it an achievement. Maybe you are an academic or a doctor or a scientist or a poet, so you don't enjoy cooking so much, so you can hand it over to someone who considers it an achievement and pay that person, and then you focus on things that you enjoy. So at every moment, if your focus is on positivity and you feel more positive than negative, then your health and immunity will automatically increase. It does not matter what you do, what matters is that you enjoy what you do. That is the key to getting happiness and good health in later life. You can get success by shortcut methods also. You can get success and money by killing someone, or by joining the mafia, by selling drugs. There is a lot of money in these professions. By prostitution, that is dicey because you might get bad people and or good people, and even if you get good people, they are hiding you from the public. So prostitution is a dicey profession. You will find that all criminal activities are dicey. They can get you into trouble as much as they can get you success. That is why they are very highly paid. Any activity where your life is at risk will be highly paid. You will have to shell a lot of money to get benefit from an activity where the provider's life is at risk. For example, even if we do therapy, and I do spirit release therapy, so each time I am encountering a spirit, and I have to do it at a cost. If I do it free, my life is at risk. So I have to spend money, even though if I do it through credit card, all the money that I earn, I have to spend, because most of the money is for spirit release. So whenever you are indulging in any activity where the risk of life is very high, then you are playing with money. And if you don't spend high amount of money, your life will be extremely endangered. So this is karmic law. It is not something rational. So whenever you start enjoying the process of whatever you are doing, ensure that your positivity is higher than your negativity. And if you need money for your positivity to be higher, or to help other people so that their positivity increases your positivity, then in that case you have to ensure that you enjoy the work that you are doing also, and that you are not doing it as a ritual, because you will make mistakes if you are doing a job which is highly paying as a ritual. So the higher you grow on the success ladder and the happiness ladder, the more vulnerable you are that it will all be taken away from you, because you are choosing positivity at every moment. However, that is the only way to increase your immunity and health, and not depend on an allopathic system of medication where they can treat your diseases but they cannot make you happier. So just treating of a disease or solving of a mental or emotional problem does not make you happier till you focus on positivity by choice, and it's only happiness which can improve your immunity and your health. Your peacefulness, your positivity and your happiness will directly improve your health. The vaccinations will help you survive, but they don't always help you survive, because if you are unhappy from within, the vaccination will only increase the problem, and your life can be at more risk. So you need to take precaution that you're taking the vaccination in a positive mindset, and that your health and heart organs are healthy enough to accept the vaccination. Otherwise, your life is at risk with vaccination if your heart is in danger or you have high diabetes. This video is about explaining that the process is more important than the outcome. So if you are studying for exams and you want to pass in the medical exam, then your focus should be on observing how to heal people, how to treat people, not just studying and roting everything, because even if you become a doctor, you will not be happier unless you enjoy the process of treating people. So the focus should be on the process, that you like the process of working with people and healing people and treating people, and then the outcome will make you happier. If you are only focused on the outcome, even a very high amount of success will not improve your happiness or your health. For health, you need health measures like organic food and exercise and good sleeping habits and good diet, and but you also need positive thinking. Without positive thinking, you cannot be good in health, mentally or emotionally. Health and happiness are directly correlated. There is no question on this, that if you are healthy, your happiness will automatically be higher than if you are unhealthy. So you need to focus on the process and enjoy the process if you want happiness in the future. If you are focusing on compromise now and expecting that happiness will come automatically in the future, it will not come. In fact, if happiness comes in your life, suppose you are compromising with every situation so that once you are married, you will be happy, but even if the marriage happens, you will continue to remain unhappy. Probably there will be a divorce, or the person might die, or the person might be simply leave you for some reason, or there might start fights might start in the marriage. So if you are in a negative vibration before marriage, you will continue to be in that negative vibration after marriage, because vibrations by itself is a life force which will seek to repeat itself. So that vibration which has been so strong in you will try to take control of your mind and body and your energy, and to come back in your life. So simply an external act like marriage or getting a good job or earning more money, simply an external act will not increase your happiness unless you learn to focus on happiness before you have these things. And unless the focus on happiness, the vibration of happiness becomes your internal dominant focus, your positive focus, and then when obstacles comes, you bounce back to happiness very soon, because you are so disciplined about focusing on positivity. And for this learning how to focus on positivity, you have to leave a lot of addictions, your desires which have come into you because of fashion symbols, like you might go to alcohol because your friends are going and it is considered a high status symbol to go to this hotel or this bar. So all that, this belief that other people can think and decide for you and that you have to ape them is the cause of your unhappiness, because one is that consciousness keeps changing and people keep changing their beliefs, and the second is that the external image of glitter does not increase your happiness. Which brand you wear does not increase your happiness. What matters is that you feel comfortable in what you are wearing. And simply getting a branded cloth does not ensure that you feel comfortable in what you are wearing, or simply wearing designer clothes does not ensure that you look beautiful. You have to feel beautiful from inside to believe that you look beautiful, however much you might look on the outside. People who are not very beautiful also think they are very beautiful if they feel beautiful inside. So it depends on your vibration about how you feel about yourself, the process, every moment how you feel about yourself, which decides whether you are happy and healthy and have high immunity in the future. It is not so much the action which you take, or the brand which you buy, or the car which you have, or the house which you have, or the clothes which you wear. It is how you feel about all these choices that you make, which makes the difference. Thank you. Please share, like and subscribe.